Okay, this is Ethan's first time in the bouncy seat. Oops. He's not really sure what to do with it yet. Hi. Oh, there he goes. Woo! Ethan, over here. There, oh, hi. How funny is that? Oh my God, oh! I think he's got it. I can't tell if he's enjoying it. He's not really smiling or laughing or anything. Yeah, that's all the way. But he's not crying either, so that's probably a good sign. Bam, right into the wall. What do you think, Henry? Do you think he likes it? Ethan! I'm over here. Whoa! Yeah! Oh, he's getting tired. Woo! Yeah, it isn't quite coordinated with it yet. Needs some practice. Don't you? Here, turn this way for Mommy. Oh, there. Nope, back he goes. Henry, can you come turn it around so he can see his face? Oh. There. Oh, he keeps turning around. Oh my God. All right, I guess that's enough of that for now. Bye. That is so funny.
Here's Ethan after about 20 minutes in a bouncy swing.